How to convert SQL query result to PANDAS data structure. Any help on this problem will be greatly appreciated. So basically I want to run a query to my SQL database and store the return data as PANDAS data structure. I have attached code for query. I am reading the documentation on PANDAS, but I have problem to identify the return type of my query. I tried to print the query result, but it doesn't give any useful information. Thanks. So I sort of want to understand what's a format/data type of my variable res overall and how to put it with PANDAS data structure.
Here's the shortest code that will do the job. You can go fancier and parse the types as in Paul's answer.
Edit, March 2015. As noted below, PANDAS now uses SQL Alchemy to both read from, read_SQL, and insert into, to_SQL, a database. The following should work. Previous answer, via Mike Massey from a similar question.
If you are using SQL Alchemy's ORM rather than the expression language, you might find yourself wanting to convert an object of type SQL Alchemy.orm.query to a PANDAS data frame. The cleanest approach is to get the generated SQL from the query statement attribute, and then execute it with PANDAS's read_SQL method. For example, starting with a query object called query.
Edit the 30th of September 2014. PANDAS now has a read_SQL function. You definitely want to use that instead. Original answer. I can't help you with SQL Alchemy. I always use Pyot, mysql, or scipop2 as needed. But when doing so, a function as simple as the one below tends to suit my needs.